Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make League of Legends full screen. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to launch League of Legends. After that, log in your account. Okay? So once you've logged in your account, you need to access the game settings. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of this client window. This will open the game settings. Now, navigate to Video Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Video tab. This is where you can configure the video settings for League of Legends. Set display mode to full screen. So, under the display section, locate the windowed mode option, click on the drop-down menu next to it and select full screen. Now, apply changes. After selecting full screen, click on the apply or save button to save the changes you made. And last but not the least, you need to restart the game. To ensure the changes take effect, exit League of Legends completely and then relaunch the game. So once you relaunch the game, League of Legends should be in full screen mode, occupying the entire screen of your computer monitor. Okay? So that is how you make League of Legends full screen. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!